the idea of giving something full access is already a bad idea.
I'm so unfamiliar with the Mac products, but the problem when you run this on your own personal hardware, it runs with you give it access to your user's file system, right? That's do you want to do that? Probably not. If you guys, these posts potentially could be acting like a virus, right? There could be some hidden code in there that might inject some prompt, and then who knows? It may take some of the information that you have on there. Maybe even if you have a hot wallet, could even steal that. Who knows, right? A lot could happen.
Well,
So
those things are making wallets, right? So like they're doing all sorts of stuff that's adjacent to that. I think people trusting these things is a bad idea.
well, the project also launched a meme coin. Molt is the thing. So they're even trying to capitalize on everything. This is using the Coinbase base network, and it pumped 7,000% increase. The market cap went to 93 million, Joey. Then it crashed 75%. Right? Who could have seen this, right? So they're doing what they can to monopolize this as much as possible. This AI slop, I guess, in its own right. It's an ecosystem for AI. It's like a ring for AI slop just to do what they have to do. That I don't know. Like I said, I didn't hear about this. I didn't read about this till the story landed on my doorstep yesterday. Found it interesting. You've heard about this before, so it must be making the rounds through some channels out there. So I'm curious. What
Bitcoin Twitter, Bitcoin Twitter has been talking about this for weeks, and because you don't spend any time on Twitter, God bless you for that. By the way, this is evidence that you are not just talking the talk, but walking the walk when it comes to not being on social media. The funny thing about the Moltbook Claude bot thing is that the issue is sort of like it's adjacent to what these guys should already know. Okay. The reason you use this on your own machine is so you can customize it to your liking. But to customize it to your liking, like you mentioned, what do you have to give it? You have to give it full access. And the idea of giving something full access is already a bad idea. There's horror stories online about people who give the thing access to like their bank card or their Visa or whatever. And, they say, okay, I want you to maximize my earnings potential, like find ways to do this, go nuts, don't spend too much money, but you have an option here to use my card if you need it. They wake up the next day and the bot has watched 3 like self-help scam videos from a YouTube account and bought a $3,000 course. Like that's rough.